Hey everyone, I just want to say I did a thing and I lost my HydroJug, sad face. So I went on Amazon and I got a new one. I got the 1 gallon jug from Amazon. And let me tell you why you should choose one over the other. I left my HydroJug at my mom's house about 2 weeks ago. She lives really far, so I didn't want to go out of my way to pick it up. And I still was really sad that I like to drink a lot of water. I was using a 32-ounce Nalgene bottle in replacement, and it just did not cut it because I was like refilling it over and over again. So annoying. I went on Amazon and I bought this 1 gallon jug, and I thought it was really cool because it's clear. You can see the markings of how full it is. It has like little reminders of when to drink. Also the lid. I thought the lid was really cool. So let's look at that. Look at that, just opens so easily. Even though it has all these great features, it's clear, has a nice handle, has a popping lid, has a straw that pops up with it, I still would choose my HydroJug over this any day. Let's go into detail why I would choose my HydroJug. First of all, this right here, yeah, it's a handle, but I can't really sling it over my shoulder like when I go to the gym. Another thing is the HydroJug has a handle and you can easily pick it up to drink. Yeah, this I can't. You see this? I'm like struggling right now. And also, I like to fill my water and put it next to my bed for when I wake up and take my vitamins. This took me 2.5 minutes to fill it with my fridge. I know I could do a Brita filter, but the thing is, my Brita filter is still too small to fill this completely. And yeah, I would cut the time in half, but still, it wouldn't fill it completely. Another thing is, by the time it turns morning, this is no longer cold. The ice is all melted. The HydroJug sleeve, it can keep your water cold if you put ice in it. And if I fill it up with ice, I can have it cold up to maybe 12 hours as long as it's not in the sun in direct heat. So that's a benefit of the HydroJug. I'm really sad that I got this. So what I did was I ordered a new one. And I ended up getting my old one back from my mom's house, but in my old video I mentioned that the new HydroJug sleeve, or the new HydroJugs, have a different lid than the current version. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing of this. So you'll notice this has a black lid, and yes, Nick does have the same one, so I'm gonna have to put a sleeve on it and probably put one of my floral sleeves. And look how big this gallon size is in comparison to the HydroJug. It's so much bigger, but what's hard is it only has one way to carry it. This has 3 different ways. It has a loop on the lid. It has this little handle right here, and it also has a strap if you put the sleeve on it, which I really like. This is half the size, so it takes less time. When I'm filling this one up, I can't easily put the lid back on. My hand barely holds this. Maybe Nick can handle it. Maybe I'll give it to him. This, I can easily put the lid back on. Look at this. So easy to handle. I could pour the water in here right now, but I'm not going to do that because it's not washed. Say you do want to take off the sleeve. It has markings too, right there. Yeah. So I would still choose this over this gallon size any day. Highly recommend that you choose the HydroJug over this because of the many features, and your water stays cold for longer. Don't have to worry about filling it up as often still. And yeah, it's just amazing with the cute sleeves. These are actually really sought after. I had no idea. Use my link below. Maybe you'll order your HydroJug today. If you don't want the HydroJug, I also have affiliate links for Amazon. Please use that link below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it. If you want to see more, subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care. Peace.